こんにちは。カナディアンソーラージャパン山本です。いつも大変お世話になっております。この度は新型コロナウイルス感染拡大に伴い、緊急事態宣言が出されるなど、皆様も生活、仕事両面において不自由を強いられていることと思います。私どもも4週間ぐらい前からテレワーク導入を踏み切りまして、やっと慣れてきたというところでございます。テレワーク、悪いことばかりではなくて、いい面もあるかなと、最近は思うようになりました。日本では紙ですとか印鑑、そういったものがまだまだ必要なシーンが多いなと、それを早く電子化しなくてはいけないというふうに思うようになりましたし、ネットミーティング、これも今までは使う機会がほとんどなかったですが、ここに来て使うようになって、その良さというものも改めて、気づかされたというふうに思います。さて、2月の後半予定されておりました PB エクスポ、私どもも参加をして、その場でいろいろと新しい商品をご紹介しようというふうに考えておりました。ただもう2月の時点でコロナウイルスの感染が始まっておりまして、いち早く出展を辞退した次第でございます。その後も何とか製品紹介の場を設けられないかということで模索しておりましたが、なかなかそういった機会も恵まれず、私どもも苛立ちを募らせていた次第でございます。この度、初めて、オンラインを使って皆様に製品をご紹介しようということで、このオンラインセミナーを企画いたしました。弊社にとっても初めての試みですので、最初からインタラクティブというわけにはいきませんが、事前に撮ったフィルムをうまく活用し、新しい製品をご説明させていただきたいというふうに思います。それではまず最初に弊社の CEO でございますショーン・クーから、ご挨拶並びに今後の市場の動向、技術動向、そこを説明させていただきたいと思います。
Welcome everyone to Canadian Solar online booth. We have been meeting with you at our PV Export Japan booth every year to showcase our cutting-edge technologies and products. This time, we decided to withdraw from PV Export Japan to ensure the health of our employees and you. However, the tradition should continue. So here we go, a novel online booth. PV Expo Japan started 13 years ago in 2007. I have come every year to make new friends, introduce new products, and learn from you about new things in the market. For people who have been in the solar industry long enough, you probably remember that the only solar market in Japan 13 years ago was residential rooftop. The annual installation at that time was less than 1 gigawatt. Today, we are installing about 6 gigawatt of solar in the field, on residential and commercial rooftops, carports, and even integrating solar directly into cars. Back in 2007, the mainstream solar cell was still 5-inch, and solar module wattage was around 100 watt. Fast forward to 2018, Canadian Solar was the first company to introduce the 6.5-inch or 166 solar cell and high-cool half-cut module, which brought the solar module wattage first time to over 400 watt. If you are planning a solar farm for 2021, you should probably consider Canadian Solar's future generation module, which will be over 500 watt. Our 500 watt solar module is designed with matured and proven technology. It provides high power, low risk of microcrack, and low hotspot temperature. We believe this is the right design for a 500-watt solar panel. I encourage you to talk to our sales representatives about these features. Our R&D teams have been doing excellent jobs in the lab, such as developing TOPCon and HJT technologies. In fact, last year, they set the world record in solar cell conversion efficiency 3 times in a row. Recently, we broke ground for a new R&D center, mainly for HJT development. Today, I will also introduce our newly designed Cool Light solar module, which allows you to install solar systems on low weight-bearing rooftops. We also provide you with many other unique products, such as residential solar kits, energy storage solutions, and our goal is to help you to reduce the levelized cost of electricity to the minimum. And all of our products are tailored to do that. I founded Canadian Solar in 2001, 19 years ago, which is a long time. Very few solar companies have survived this long, let alone are still prospering. I personally entered the solar industry 24 years ago in 1996 after I received my PhD in physics. We used to have a few PhDs as CEO of solar companies. Sadly, I'm the only one remaining. However, as a company, being able to survive and thrive is important in this industry because only a company that can last 25 years or longer can support the 25-year warranty of your solar module. I'm also glad to report to you that in 2019, Canadian Solar shipped 8.6 gigawatt of solar modules globally, achieved $3.2 billion of revenue, and $175 million of net profit, which made us even stronger. We announced our plan to ship 10 to 12 gigawatt of solar module this year. This is important in the face of COVID-19, which could bring down many other solar companies. Only the strong and experienced players like Canadian Solar can survive. More on the issue of COVID-19. I'm glad to let you know that all of our factories are back to full production capacity and we can meet your demand. Where the market will see some disruption, remember that solar energy will continue to gain market share in the energy generation mix, driven by innovation, competitiveness, and clean energy transition. I'm not too worried about FIT expiration in Japan, because the market will continue to grow even without it with the introduction of solar plus energy storage systems. Canadian Solar has already started selling such systems in Japan and globally. I would like to tell you a story. As you know, China has received support and donations from many countries in January and February during its all-out fight against COVID-19. The donation from Japan, however, caught special attention in the Chinese social media, owing to a small but warming detail. There was a Chinese poem printed on the donation box from Japan. 山川异域，风月同天。This poem was written by Nadia no-Okimi in Mara period in 8th century. On a donation from Maizuru city, there's also a Chinese poem, 青山一道同阴雨，明月何曾是两乡. This one was written by Wang Changlin, a Chinese poet in Tang Dynasty, also in 8th century. These two poems have more or less the same meaning, which is, although we are in different places, we share the same sky and moon. This is exactly how I feel at this moment. Although we are not in the same room, we share the same sky and moon. I am confident that you will win the battle against COVID-19 in Japan. Business will come back. Solar will continue to shine and prosper. Canadian Solar and I myself will be with you, side by side. We shall overcome. Thank you.
弊社 CEO でございますショーン・クーの方から新型コロナウイルスによる太陽光業界への影響、および今後の市場動向、技術動向に関して説明させていただきました。続きまして、弊社の製品説明会で常に講師を務めてもらっている、弊社の R&D、アラン・シューから、今回新しく発表いたしました製品3種類に関して説明させていただきたいと思います。
Hello, my name is Alan, the Module R&D Director at Canadian Solar. It is a great honor for me to do the product introduction for our valuable customers in Japan. The first product we are going to talk about is Haiku. Canadian Solar has been a global leader in solar technology during the last 3 years. We were first to launch 5BB half-cell cool module in April 2017, about 3 years ago. Right now, half-cell cool format has become the new standard for the whole industry. We continued improving our cool platform and introduced MBB cool module in June 2018. Besides, as early as in November 2017, Canadian Solar was first in the industry to research on 166mm wafer. In October 2018, we were the first in the world to launch commercially available above 400-watt crystalline silicon module. It's based on 166 poly cells. In the end of last year, we launched above 440-watt mono Haiku modules. Within 33 months, Canadian Solar's utility product wattage grows about 30%, a champion speed never witnessed before. Once introduced in the market, our Haiku modules were so popular. There have been over 2 gigawatt shipment all over the world by April this year, including Japan, China, India, Southeast Asia, Australia, Middle East, Europe, North America, South America, and Africa. Haiku modules have been proven to be fit in diverse mounting systems, no matter fixed or tracking, and compatible with all top inverters. They are easy to install and able to significantly cut the BOS cost for our customers in every corner of the world. Why Canadian Solar Haiku mono and poly modules are so popular and much better than our competitors' utility products? Here listed several reasons. First of all, they are powerful and highly efficient. Haiku Poly is the most powerful poly module on the market with wattage above 435 watts. HiCool Mono produces more than 440 watts and can output as high as 450 watts, which is among the top panels available right now. Not only have high power at the beginning of the lifespan, HiCool Mono and Poly are also reliable with long-lasting performance over time in different environments. They have low LETID degradation, high mechanical loading performance, and low horsepower temperature. The powerful HiCool modules are built on high-efficiency advanced PERC cells. Canadian Solar started the PERC research as early as in 2013. Thanks to 7 years R&D and production optimization, Canadian Solar has formed its own PERC tech with leading features, including selective emitter, optimum front and backside passivation process, unique backside electrode design, MBB, and tailored for half-cell tech. As Sean mentioned, Canadian Solar set Poly PERC cell efficiency work record for 3 times within 9 months in 2018. The state-of-art cell technologies lay the foundation for powerful modules. Powerful also means degradation over time in the lifespan is small. At the beginning of Canadian Solar PERC research, one of the main R&D efforts was devoted to lowering degradation of PERC cells. With internal innovation and external collaboration, Canadian Solar developed deep understanding of the degradation mechanism of PERC cell and formed an intensified inline quality control. The control covers silicon ingot growth, cell production, and a process called CISA, which is Canadian Solar's proprietary regeneration tech. HiCool modules show about 50% less LID and LETID degradation after CISA treatment. They passed customers' qualification, ranked top, and received positive comments. Canadian Solar's HiCool modules stand out among the peers and generate 1% more electricity during lifetime because of low LID and LETID degradation. When we developed HiCool modules, we chose MBB Cool platform. Replacing the flat ribbons with round wire reflects part of the incident light to the cell surface and therefore generates more current and energy. In addition, it's much easier to make and apply very thin round ribbons to the cells compared to the flat one. As a result, applying more ribbons becomes feasible. Canadian Solar was the first to develop non-BP half-cell tech and boosted module wattage by about 3%. Non-BP is also more reliable than 5BP because more ribbon limits crack loss to a smaller area. Due to the above benefits, our HiCool module is 100% MBB based. All the test results prove that the choice is right and HiCool module is highly reliable. HiCool module is about 11% larger than its predecessor is. The mechanical stress proportionally increases with the module area if there is no change in design. One of the main tasks in the development of HiCool module is to lower the stress by design innovations. With detailed simulation and experiments, engineers tune the parameters and specifics in the latest slicing, cell design, and frame design. The concerted efforts make our HiCool module among strong again. To evaluate its performance, we use the REC standard still in draft. These standards aim to evaluate modules' long-term risks with extended stress. After the sequential tests combining dynamic static loading, TC50, and HF10, Canadian Solar's HiCool module has minimum power loss and more than acceptable EL performance. The test is much more stringent than static loading alone, exhibiting HiCool module's strengths. Is it the additional horsepower risk with large wafer and high wattage? It is a question we needed to answer when we began the R&D in 2017 on 106mm wafer. Fortunately, it turned out that increased wafer size had no additional hotspot risk, which was supported by theoretical calculation and numerous experiments. To be more specific, a 144 pieces 166mm half-cell module has the same level of hotspot temperature compared to its counterpart with smaller 156.75mm wafers. Consequently, Canadian Solar decided to study on larger wafer and launch HiCool module under the direction of Sean. It is more challenging in parts, since we have to build new wafer, cell, and module capacities. To mitigate the hotspot risk further, Canadian Solar developed a unique cell quality control process called CSAP. Finally, all the efforts pay off. HiCool module became the safest above 400-watt module in terms of hotspot, and our customers appreciate the value of safety. Next, we are going to introduce a new product called CoolLight. We develop a CoolLight module for certain installation sites. In Japan, there are roofs which has only limited loading capacity. For instance, for some particular vaulted metal roofs, the maximum load is 9.5 kg per square meter. In such a condition, the module cannot exceed about 8.5 kg per square meter. However, most of the conventional modules have weight over 11 kg per square meter, which is well above the limit. To address the challenge, we developed a CoolLight module. This page shows its main features. It builds on our classic MBB Cool platform with Canadian Solar's top-notch polyPERC cells. The weight is below 7.5 kg per square meter, more than 32% reduction compared to conventional design. By material innovation and design optimization, CoolLight stays strong with front load at 3,600 Pascal and backside load at 2,400 Pascal. Not only having lightweight, we designed a CoolLight module specifically for rooftops installation to ease the installation and mounting system cost. Combining these features, CoolLight will become a most cost-efficient solution for load-limited installation cases. The launch time is about Q3 this year. As a summary, today we introduced the HiCool modules, which has 440 plus wattage and lower degradation and high reliability. It is the best high wattage choice and available right now. Canadian Solar has plenty of resources to supply it. We also introduced the CoolLight module for load-limited roofs. This module will be launched in Q3 this year. Thank you for your attention. Hope all the products fit in your system and help you to win the present and the future. See you next time. Bye.
アランの方から新しい3つのモジュールご紹介させていただきました。最初に、弊社が主力商品として今販売しておりますHiCoolシリーズ。こちらに新しく加わりました単結晶のモジュールを紹介させていただきました。2番目に、全量買取が終わり、これから自家消費のニーズがますます増えてまいります。企業様におかれましても、工場ですとか倉庫といった建物の屋根の上に、新しくモジュールを設置するということを考えていらっしゃる方々が多くなってまいりました。ただそういった建物には柱などが少なく、また古い屋根のものも多くございます。そういったニーズに合わせた軽量のモジュール、これを2番目に紹介させていただきました。最後に私の方から新しく住宅向けにご紹介いたしますソリューション、プラチナムチャージ、こちらをご紹介させていただきたいと思います。この度ご紹介します住宅向け新ソリューションは、プラチナムチャージというパッケージ商品です。名前からもわかるように、この商品は弊社の住宅向け主力パッケージのプラチナムシリーズに新たに加えられた蓄電池ソリューションです。弊社ではこれまで すでに太陽光システムを搭載されたお客様向けに独立型単機能蓄電池を、また新築を建てられる方々で将来電気自動車やハイブリッドカーを検討されているような方向けに太陽光、蓄電池、EV、PHV すべてをコントロールできるソリーブを販売してまいりました。それらのソリューションに加え、この度のプラチナムチャージは太陽光と蓄電池を最も効率よくコントロールし、自家消費、災害時のバックアップ、両方に最適な待望のハイブリッド蓄電池ソリューションになります。まずシステムの概要ですが、プラチナムシリーズでお選びいただける HDM、IDM モジュールがそのままお選びいただけます。もちろんサポートできる屋根材もすべてプラチナムと同様、あらゆる屋根に対応します。それに加えてプラチナムチャージでは 5.5kWh と 9.9kWh の2種類のハイブリッドパワコンと 7kWh と 14kWh の2種類の蓄電池容量が自由に組み合わせ可能です。第一のシステムの特徴として、プラチナムと同様、幅、長さが異なる計4種類のモジュールで、常にどんな屋根にも最大の設置をお約束します。2番目に 5.5kVA という業界最高クラスの重放電能力により、発電した電気を素早く貯めてしっかり使うことが可能です。3番目の特徴として、蓄電池出力が 200V であることにより、エアコン、IH、エコキュートなどを含むご家庭のすべての電化製品を動作させることができます。これで災害時、停電してももう困ることはありません。また、蓄電池はリチウムイオン蓄電池ですが、そのリチウムイオン蓄電池の中でもリン酸鉄という技術を採用し、より安全性を重視した蓄電池システムになっております。もちろん保証はプラチナムシリーズ共通の15年システム保証が無償で付帯されています。また、停電になった際、自動的に蓄電池バックアップに切り替わるため、お客様は全く停電に気づかないことも考えられます。そんな時のためにお客様に停電を音声でお知らせする機能も備えております。さらにお客様にとってお買い求めやすくするために、最初は蓄電池なしのシステムで設置することも可能です。そして後日必要を感じた時に蓄電池をお買い求めいただき、設置済み太陽光システムに後から蓄電池だけを追加設置することができます。また、最初は 7kWh の蓄電池で設置いただき、しばらく使用された後、もう少し蓄電池の容量を増やして使いたいというとき、もう一台 7kWh の蓄電池を増設することも可能です。スマートモードというモードに設定すれば、深夜充電した電力を朝に使い、夕方には日中太陽光で充電した電力を使用する1日2サイクルの重放電も可能。2台の蓄電池を使えば1日 28kWh の使用も可能になります。全量買取の時代が終わり、本格的に太陽光発電を自分で使う時代がやってきます。そのような自家消費時代に向けて、プラチナムチャージは最適な太陽光と蓄電池の組み合わせと言えます。単機能蓄電池、ソリーブと合わせて、ぜひプラチナムチャージをご検討いただけますようよろしくお願いいたします。ここまで、本来 PB エクスポで皆様に直接ご紹介しようと思っておりました製品をオンラインでご紹介させていただきました。いかがでしたでしょうか。オンラインの説明会、結構わかりやすかったじゃないかというような声が聞ければというふうに期待しております。今後も弊社はいろいろな商品をいろいろな形で皆様にご紹介してまいりたいというふうに思っております。それに向けて皆様のフィードバック、これは非常に重要になります。ぜひ今回のオンラインセミナーも皆様のご意見、ご感想をお聞かせいただければというふうに思います。また、今回のご案内、非常にギリギリになってしまいまして、 都合がつかず見れなかったお客様もいらっしゃるかもしれません。そういった方々、遠慮なく営業の方にご一報いただければ、また弊社の方でこのような場を設けられるというふうに思います。それではこれをもって第1回のカナディアンソーラーオンラインセミナー終わりたいと思います。ここまでご清聴ありがとうございました。これからもカナディアンソーラージャパンよろしくお願いいたします。